I do in chess set unboxing video. This is my first unboxing video, I guess, and I'll be just cutting the thing right here. So you basically cut this here. Oh, that like this. You do like that. Yep. Oh, there you go. There you go. Just peel the skin off, and then you just open this here. Just open this here, and then you'll see down here. There you will see that there will be these black pieces and these white pieces, and finally the main one of all, the board. Yep, there now, you're right. Now on to the floor here will go. Let's just add this. Add some scissors because yes, and then we'll just cut.
Hey, wait for me!
Yep, then you can do this. You too.
I accidentally covered the whole.
And then while you're on that, you're gonna cut the black. We're gonna cut the black. There you go. Don't catch her. And then after that, jangan hancur. All you're gonna do is to put them horns in front here. Well, at least you know the susunan by now. So thank you for watching my unboxing video. That was cool.